Introducing the HX Q20 electric bike, a robust and high-performance e-bike designed for riders who crave power, versatility, and durability. Built with a stainless steel frame, the HX Q20 combines strength with style, making it an ideal companion for all kinds of adventures, from urban commuting to rugged off-road trails. Battery options and impressive range. The HX Q20 offers flexibility with 3 battery options: 48V 60AH, 35AH, and 25AH, allowing riders to choose the range that best fits their lifestyle. With a 25AH battery, you can achieve a range of 80 to 90 kilometers. The 35AH battery provides 100 to 110 kilometers, and the powerful 60AH battery offers an impressive 170 to 180 kilometers. Whether you're planning a long-distance ride or a short city trip, the HX Q20 ensures you have the power and endurance to reach your destination. 2000W motor and performance. Powered by a 2000W motor, the HX Q20 delivers a thrilling ride with a maximum speed of 57 km per hour. With its high torque and a maximum slope angle of 35 degrees, this bike easily tackles steep inclines and challenging terrains, giving you the freedom to explore new routes with confidence. The Shimano 7-speed transmission offers smooth gear changes, enhancing your control and efficiency in various riding conditions. 3 riding modes and hydraulic disc brakes. The HX Q20 features 3 versatile riding modes: pure battery, pedal assist, PS, and cruise mode, giving you the freedom to choose how you ride. The hydraulic disc brake system ensures superior stopping power, providing precise control and safety, even in wet or challenging conditions. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or navigating rugged paths, you can ride with peace of mind knowing the braking system will respond when you need it. Fat tires and comfortable design. Equipped with 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires, the HX Q20 provides excellent traction and stability on various surfaces, including sand, snow, gravel, and asphalt. These tires are designed to absorb shocks, making your ride smoother and more comfortable, even on uneven terrain. The adjustable handlebar height 1050mm and seat height 800mm allow for a customizable riding experience, while the bike's max loading capacity of around 200 kilograms accommodates riders of different sizes and cargo needs. Charging convenience and mobile phone support. With support for mobile phone charging, you can stay connected during your ride, ensuring your devices are powered up when you need them. The bike comes with fast charging options for the 35AH battery, 54.6V 3.0A, reducing downtime and getting you back on the road quickly. The charging time ranges from 6 to 8 hours, making it convenient for overnight charging. Durable and portable. Weighing approximately 39 kilograms net weight and 47 kilograms gross weight, the HX Q20 balances durability with portability. Its sturdy frame and efficient build make it perfect for daily commutes, outdoor adventures, and everything in between. The HX Q20 electric bike combines power, range, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for riders seeking an all-in-one solution for urban and off-road exploration. Experience freedom, convenience, and adventure with the HX Q20, a bike designed for those who demand the best.